Investment in gold. Should I invest in gold coins? In this video, I'm going to help you answer the question of whether you should invest in gold coins. But first, some disclosures. I'm an investor, not an advisor. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only, and my opinions are my own. Of course, be sure to investigate, ask questions, and make sound decisions on any investment. In a moment, I'm going to show you some of the considerations of investing in gold coins. But first, let's talk about gold coins. There are basically two types. The first are bullion gold coins, and second, there are numismatic or collector coins. Each of them have different purposes and different values. So what are some of the pros of buying gold coins? Gold tends to go up when other investments decline, providing a stabilizing effect for your investment portfolio. Gold is a bulwark against inflation. You don't have to pay capital gains tax until you sell the gold, and nobody has to know that you have it if that matters to you. In worst-case financial scenarios, such as massive currency devaluations, you can use gold and silver to buy and sell things. And that may sound crazy, but it has certainly happened in other countries. Some of the cons of buying gold coins include the risk that a thief could take your gold if you're not careful. Unlike stocks and bonds, a purchase of gold is not an investment in company growth. You're not going to get dividends or interest from tangible gold. You may also have to wait years for gold to go up in value if you buy high and then the price of gold drops. You also pay a premium over the price per ounce when you buy gold coins, which is how the dealer makes a profit. Generally, buying bullion coins such as the American Gold Eagle or the Canadian Gold Maple Leaf or the South African Krugerrand is the way to go. So where do you purchase gold coins? Well, of course, reputable dealers, which you can find online. You can also buy them from some financial institutions, including banks. But the place you don't want to go are informal places like Craigslist, perhaps eBay, places where it's more difficult to determine the reputability of the broker that you're buying the coins from. Too easy to become defrauded. And of course, most importantly, you need to verify both the authenticity of the broker selling the coins and the coins themselves. So this takes a little bit of time and effort to make sure that you are not going to get defrauded. Earlier, I said we would cover some of the considerations of investing in gold coins. So here are some of the considerations that I would think about. One, I'm going to only use a small diversification, maybe 5 to 10% of my portfolio value. Two, I'm going to think about, can I store the coins safely? Does that mean that I have to have a safe in my home or office, or does it mean that I have to pay for secure storage at a place, an institution, or a service that is set up for storing gold safely? Do I have to insure this coin? And can I even insure it against theft and loss? Do I like having a physical asset with value? Does that give me a sense of safety and security? And does it soothe my anxieties over the economic instability that may be currently in existence? Do I mind losing on other possible gains and other investments? This is really a lost opportunity cost, because when I put money into gold, it will grow according to supply and demand in value, but it's not going to grow in value because of profits being reinvested back into the asset. And finally, I'm going to ask myself, do I feel better having a hedge against a complete market and economic collapse? Even if it's just a small part of my portfolio, do I feel good knowing that at least that part will always hold some value, even if the bottom drops out of everything else? So depending upon how you answer these questions, you'll be able to make a determination of whether or not you should purchase gold coin as an investment. So let me know whether this video informed you about investing in gold coins by posting your comments in the box below, and also by liking this video. And if you like this video, subscribe so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. In my next video, I'm going to be covering alternatives to gold investment, so we'll see you there.